Morning everybody. Today I am off to wash, not my usual vehicle, which is a Jeep, but I am washing a Subaru Outback in Coffs Harbour. We actually got given this vehicle from Subaru. Oh, it's a bush turkey in the way. Sorry, 1 sec, I don't want to run over the bush turkey. Come on, let's go. Slowly does it. Okay, there you go. We got given this car. This is a blue Subaru Outback from Subaru because we're just doing some filming around New South Wales in Australia for a TV show, and so it's a bit of contra for them. And I thought I would wash it. So it's actually a brand new Subaru Outback. It's got 2,000 kilometers on the mileage at the moment, and that's what distance that we've put on it from driving all around New South Wales. The car wash I'm heading to in Coffs Harbour is called Car Lovers. I believe it's a franchise because I can also see another Car Lovers near towards the jetty of Coffs Harbour. I don't really spend a lot of time in Coffs Harbour, to be honest. Like, I pass through now and again when I'm driving up to Queensland, so I don't really spend a lot of time here. And to be honest, most of the time when I do film here, for some reason everyone is obsessed with filming at the Big Banana, so filming at the Big Banana quite a lot. The Car Lovers car wash I'm going to now is 24 hours, like most self-service car washes. It's got good reviews, and it's just off the highway near a shopping complex. No one's in here, there's a car next door, so there's 2 spots. This is quite fun because I'm discovering it for the first time myself. Let's hope the machine works, because that would suck if I just pulled in. Okay, we've arrived. Let's go. done. That was actually a very enjoyable car wash. It was easy to use. The payment system wasn't old and daggy. You just tap your card, select what you wanted to do. It was pretty informative as well, with the signs of actually what does what. And the pressure was strong. The machines weren't old. They obviously kept up to date and looked after. I would give the Car Lovers Car Wash on Park Bay Road in Coffs Harbour a solid 8 out of 10. Why? I just found everything there worked perfectly well. It wasn't dated. The machine and instructions were straightforward. All of the utensils or tools used to wash the car were good. I quite like the addition of the Armour All wax as well. I'm sure Subaru will be very happy that I have washed their Contra car that they've given us for this TV shoot. Not that they'll ever actually watch this amateur YouTube channel that I'm doing, but if they ever did, you're welcome. Join me next time on Suds Safari. I might be washing this car again somewhere around Australia, depending on when my days off are, or I might be back to my Jeep in Sydney, so we'll see. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.